Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Really Press the Button! Who asked you? Alright, I can buy anything in the world but I'll never get a girlfriend. What? Because that's what it said. I can buy everything in the world for free but I'll never get a girlfriend. I'm pressing the button. Sorry. Access to an infinite amount of money? You know how many games I can buy with that?
Or
You can never share it with your parents, including...
you can never what?
You never share it with anybody else, including presents. Pressing it. Yes, I choose the right option. 71 people press the button. I don't really get unless I including presents. You can never share it with anyone else, including presents. I don't get that.
You can't buy presents for using that money.
Oh! I'm still buying it for myself. What?
I just found something that I didn't know existed, and it's so helpful.
What?
This button.
Oh, so
I was actually just like, I was doing this. I was doing that.
oh yeah, you can do that on Paperclip. I go to Hogwarts, but everyone knows has the opposite gender.
Wouldn't that be good for you?
I guess, but I won't get a girlfriend because I pressed that. So I'm going to Hogwarts.
You don't even watch Harry Potter.
I do.
No, you don't.
I watch it at school.
Still. Are you a Harry Potter fan?
I guess. You can gain complete control of an advanced research laboratory with an unlimited number of test subjects, which is an artificial, partially insane. No! People agree with me. I'm not going insane. Oh no. Bad. Yeah, much more light quality, more intelligent, more energy, more passion for things you love. Now half a lifespan short. No, I'm sorry, guys. Whoa, it's a 50% thing. 50% of people did, and 50% of people didn't do it. Whoa! You're immune to cancer. Woohoo! But that's been a year. That's underground. I'll make a vaccine out of you. No, I'm sorry. Get your own theme song. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I already have it. You can never get rid of this. Alright, I'm pressing it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Alright. Everybody does. Alright. Are we granted 3 wishes, but do not wish for more wishes?
I was about to say, if you get your wishes, you can grant. Can I have infinity wishes?
But your first wish must be given to your worst enemy. Get kicked by the boot. Yes, that would be my first wish. And then go to my worst enemy. I'm pressing it. Ooh, okay, yep. People agree with me. People would get boots for the first. I don't know what to say anymore.
Well, it is raining.
You become the world greatest DJ.
Become the world what?
Greatest DJ. You have to live in your grandmother's basement.
Well, you already live with your grandmother.
Well, my grandma.
What's the difference?
I don't think grandma has a basement. So I'm pressing it. 50% thing again. You want to do this?
No, I'm drunk.
You'll know the truth of everything, and the universe will have meaning of existence, but you can forever be alone.
Is there any trash in the truck you need to get rid of?
No, I don't think so. Yeah. I'm pressing it.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, wait, guys. I still have this. I'm opening this. Guys, guys, I have something cool. how this look, guys. Oh, okay. These are like VR glasses. This is weird. Since yours is at the house. Well, this is like so weird. I see that. Oh, it's so weird. Okay. Alright, next question. Look at Genie. I know, right? Look at Genie, but the wishes will be against you. No.
What if you like trick someone and you like make the wish bad, and then so when you wish it, it'll become good.
What? Oh, you will live on forever by a jellyfish. I can't make YouTube videos. No. Okay, Joel, get it back. Alright. You are human, but you're also dancing. Papa. Pressing in. Wait. I'm gonna look at the instructions for this, and I'm done. I'll look at the instructions when I'm done. Yeah, I really don't care. Alright. I'm playing. World to end. I have no idea what this is saying. This is one of my glasses. There are my glasses. I don't get these questions now. I want to put like a company like doing this and actually for the rest of your life. I'm kind of doing that already. I'm really good. What? I think I'm done with this now. Okay, bye guys. That question. We're not just gonna answer this. No. But I can like stop YouTube if I just answer.